Page 166, German dance. They give a little spiel about Haydn up at the top of the page. You can read all about it right up there. I want to talk about this just a little bit. It's in the key of D major. Now we're moving all over the place, so good luck. Now, depending on how advanced you are or how well you are, I'd like to offer some suggestions for you to play around with. Fingering wise, I'm going to start with the right hand. You're starting on this high D, way up here. There's staccatos. A nice short staccato, it's a dance. Allegretto's a fun speed, it's a fun dance. So, a nice short staccato. If you want to do a wrist, it's fine. I prefer finger. A little bit of both, actually. I like to change fingers on repeated notes. So rather than using fifth finger on all of those, I'm going to use 5-4-5. On the next one, on the A's, I do a 2-3. And then the eighth notes, I do a 2-3. Next measure on the A's, it's a 4-2. So that first line, the fingering would be this. I mean, there's so many staccatos in this, you're hardly touching the keys at all. You're floating pretty much above the keys. There's only a little bit of legato, and that ends with a staccato. So you can experiment with that and see if you like it. You won't like it at first. I'm kind of challenging you to get into this, changing fingers on repeated notes if you can. Second line, you're coming off of the eighth notes from the first line, and I recommend on the two D's you do a 1-2. The next one, again on the two E's in the second measure, a 1-2, and the rest of it is okay. Third line on those A's, I recommend a 3-4-3, so you do a fourth one on the eighth note. So it's that 3, 4, 3, and then the next measure it's 4, so it's here. Then on the third measure, the first A's with the fourth finger. Then I recommend a 3 and a 2 on the G sharp. And then come down. Last line on the two D's, I recommend a 1-2. Next measure on the E's, a 1-2. And then the rest of it's okay. Just suggestions. Just pencil them in, try them out. You can erase and change your fingering as you see fit. In the left hand, something similar. At the beginning, it's a 1-2-1 on the first measure, and the second measure, it's a 4-2. And then, as it's shown, then in the third measure, the first A's with second finger, second one is with third finger. So the first line is that. I use fourth finger on the half note, whatever. Then you're okay, pretty much do what they're telling you to do for the rest of it. Gets a little tricky putting them together because now you're using different fingers and all kinds of things going on. It's it. It's just a fun piece. How allegretto depends on how fun you feel. It's a dance. Keep in mind it's a dance. They want to dance. It's just a nice fun festival type dance. Now there are repeat signs on here, so we're going to play the first two lines twice, and the play with me we're going to do, yes we're going to do it, and the last two lines twice. I'd like to do it just really slowly for you. There's no pedal in it, keep it light. Remember the staccatos and the legatos, I think you'll be fine. Hopefully those chords in the last couple lines aren't going to cause you problems in the left hand. It's just an A chord, and then you're sort of in the key of A major here. See the G sharps in the right hand? That's A major. We're in 3 sharps instead of 2, but they didn't change the key signature. They just put in the accidentals. They do that a lot. So we're sort of in A major, and this is a 1 chord, and a 5-7 chord, in A major, and then in the last line it goes back into D major. I'm going to give us 3 counts. Let's play this out slowly. So go ahead and put your hands where they go. Here. 1, ready, go. 3. Repeat. Two. One, two, three, off. I think it goes something like this. I'll give you an idea. I think.